Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to talk about iOS 26.2 Beta 2, which was released yesterday. I've been using it for about 28 hours now or so. I installed it yesterday afternoon. And first things first is the battery life does seem to be a little bit less. I'm not getting as good of a screen on time as I was on 26.2 Beta 1 or 26.1 rather. So it does seem to be degraded just a little bit. Overall, I think 26.1, like when it first came out public, and 26.2 beta 1 had really good battery life, but I did notice that it does seem to be draining pretty quick here on beta 2. But Apple did reintroduce some liquid glass things into this beta, such as the animation there. You can see when I hit edit, one of the original animations, it seems, is back here on 26.2. So that is nice. Hopefully that's here to stay. So it looks like they're bringing back some of the liquid glass animations. And then, of course, the edit, the home screen editor. Now you can choose, and this wasn't beta 2 specifically, but this is something that is new in 26.2 in general. And that's the ability to change the glass of the clock right here. So you can make it frosted, or you can make it more glassy and transparent. And that is a slider. That's not just, a toggle like it is for the overall system UI that they introduced in 26.1 down here under the display and brightness, where it's got liquid glass. I do have mine on tinted right now. I actually like clear more. I was just kind of playing around with it. But yes, you can set the clock in 26.2 between, with the slider. So that's pretty cool. But that is iOS 26.2 beta 2. Apple did just update the Apple Store app right here as well, which finally introduced the new icon and the liquid glass theming in the Apple Store app. So that has also come to the iPhones. You don't need 26.2 to get that. It's just an App Store update, but that's just one of the things that rolled out today as well. So those are some of the things that are new here in 26.2 Beta 2. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you see any changes or anything you want me to go over, comment down below, and I will feature that in a video. Have a nice day.